Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on the metric system, mass. Mass normally refers to the amount of matter that makes up an object. The basic unit of mass is the kilogram. The most important conversions for mass are as follows. 1 ton is 1,000 kilograms. 1 kilogram is 1,000 grams, and 1 gram is 1,000 milligrams. The abbreviations for mass are as follows. The ton, which can be spelt either this way or that way, depending on which country you're in, we normally abbreviate that with a T. The kilogram is kg, the gram is g, and the milligram is mg. Large, medium and small masses. That's just the plural of mass. Very large masses are usually measured in tons. The mass of a person is usually measured in kilograms, and small objects are measured in grams or milligrams. Examples in real life. A piece of bread or a paper clip, they're usually measured in grams. A person or a human and a dumbbell, which you find in a gymnasium, normally measured in the kilogram. And a truck, which is quite a large object, we measure that using the metric ton. Some other objects in real life. A cat can be measured in kilograms. For example, I have quite a large cat, and my cat has a mass of about 7 kilograms. That's quite large for a cat. A whale can be measured in tons. A television in kilograms. A bag of potatoes in kilograms, and an apple in grams. Large cranes like the one above can lift shipping containers which have a mass of about 30 tons. So that's a very, very large mass. And here is a typical car, and the mass of that is about 1 ton. Could be a little bit less or a little bit more. Some examples of common measurements. The following examples are approximate, but they give us a good idea of the size of some common measurements in use. Now, a teaspoon of sugar, which is really about the same as a cube of sugar, is about 4 grams. The mass of an orange is about 200 grams. The mass of a man is about 80 grams. The contents of health tablets are sometimes shown in milligrams. Here we have 400 milligrams and 500 milligrams. Now here are some exercises, and there are 5 answers required. So if you read those at your leisure, I'll leave this slide on for 10 or 15 seconds, and then I'll go to the next slide, which contains the answers. So you can pause this slide for as long as you want until you fill in those conversions. Now we'll go to the answers on the next slide to see how you went. So here are the answers. Now you can pause this slide and the previous slide for as long as you want to see how you went. Hopefully you went okay. So this video has given you a very basic introduction to mass, and we've looked at the units of grams, kilograms, milligrams, tons, and we've seen how some of those units are used in real life.